Did you manage to get Ben's birthday present?
Yes, I wanted to get a towel he can use after swimming, but they were all very expensive. I thought about a football poster, but the ones in the shop were enormous, and his room's small.
What did you get?
A bag. He hasn't got anything to put his sports kit in.
Great choice.
How about this computer game? It's £45.
I really loved playing it at my friend's house, but that's too much.
But it's worth it. I borrowed it from my cousin and didn't want to give it back.
I'd love to get it, and then we can play it for as long as we like, but I'll have to save up for it.
What a fantastic view! You can see all the way down the valley to the lake.
Look at the sheep we passed when we were near the farm. They look like white flowers from up here.
You know, I wanted to stop when we came out of the wood, but I'm glad we kept going.
So am I.
Have you seen this advert, Dad?
Which advert? No, I haven't. I hardly ever read magazines.
It says one lucky reader and their family can win a trip to Canada to see where they film my favourite TV series. You have to be over 18 to take part.
Then I'll put my name on the form. I'd love to visit Canada.
How was your weekend? Did you buy that book you need for school?
I was going to, but Jack came to see me on Saturday. He was absent from school last week, so he needed to borrow my notes. It was too late to go out afterwards.
Never mind. I'm passing that shop later, so I can get it for you.
Thanks.